Hi, I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. Today's video is going to be a double Chanel unboxing and my very first handbag unboxing of 2018. I actually purchased this about 3 weeks ago. I just got it in today and I will explain that later as I get into the unboxing. And I also got a small leather good, so I'm going to start with that one. Okay, so let's get started with the small leather good. This one, I really tried to resist it. I have so many small leather goods, as you know if you've watched me, but I have sold a ton of them this year, and I have wanted this for a while, and yeah, I gave up. I bought it. And I'm glad I was able to find it. There were only 3 left in the country, and if I can get this ribbon off, I will show you what it is. There were only 3 left in the country when I got mine on Friday, and I had some friends trying to help me with their sales associates to look for them, but mine ended up finding it for me from another store, which was very nice, and shipped it to me. So of course it came with the ribbon and the Chanel box, and inside is the little velvet dust bag that says Chanel. And I forgot to bring my receipt in here. It's like a really big card. I've never seen one like that before. It says Chanel on that. And it is the coin purse, O-Zip coin purse. Let's see if it has a name in here, or maybe it's inside of here. Let's see. So there is the authenticity card. And here we go. Oh, coin purse is just what it's called. There you go. And it is the shiniest, prettiest. I just love this piece. I was so excited to be able to find it. So I've watched a lot of videos on this one. Leo Lion LV did an unboxing. My Luxury Indulgences did an unboxing. Minnie did a what's in it, and when she put 4 lipsticks in there, I was sold. I'm like, I have to have that. I am a lip junkie. And I was like, you can hold 4 full-size lipsticks. So there is the little coin purse, which I have no intention of putting coins in it. I use my Bastias for that. And so let's get to the handbag. I actually bought this, like I said, I think about 3 weeks ago, between 2 and 3 weeks ago. It's been a little while. And the reason for that is my sales associate, I wanted to purchase it on triple points from Neiman Marcus, and so she rang me up and then returned it and redid it on triple. And I am so nervous to open this because I have not seen it in person. This is something I have been wanting for a very long time, and I kept getting sidetracked with thinking I wanted a Lady Dior or different bags. Let me open it and then we will get into the stories, because I cannot stand long unboxings. I want to see what's in the box. So I unwrap this beautiful ribbon. Maybe. She tied that one good. There we go. And of course the new boxes are all magnetic, which I think is so nice. So open it up there and see if I can hold it up. No, I cannot do that. It's not that coordinated. Sorry about that. And there is my receipt. And the tissue. And all the little folded tissue. I'm so nervous. I hope I love it. I think I will from the pictures. I wouldn't have bought it if I didn't think I would love it, but I'm still very nervous. And here is the little care booklet that has all the information in there, and the little cleaning cloth. So I'll get this box out of the way. Okay. And obviously it is a classic flap, and it is, oh, she wrapped this very nicely. It is wrapped up very nicely. Oh, I love the color. Okay, this is good. This is very good. If I can get it out of here. How did she get it in here? Oh, I see. On the side. I'm trying to take it out on the top. Okay. I can't get in it. I'm so nervous. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. It is a medium flap in blue lambskin leather. And I knew I wanted a lambskin bag this year. I knew I really wanted to add something in lambskin to my collection. And if you watched me, you saw that I did get the Lady Dior home. They sent me the used floor model. And I just decided that bag was not gonna work for me. And oh wow, that's a really pretty color. That's really, really pretty color. And yeah, so I'm like speechless. I'm like, ah! Here it is. Let me take the felt out so you can see it better. So it's blue with silver hardware, which I love because it'll make it a little bit more casual. My other classic flap is black caviar with gold hardware. And I just absolutely love blue. And I had some help from some really nice friends. One of them, I know you don't want your name said on YouTube, so I'll just call you Dee. She sent me pictures because I was just not sure of some things that I saw in the bag. And she sent me pictures of her lambskin bags. And then also my luxury indulgences. If you have not watched her channel, I'm gonna try to link her below. Check her out. She was on the phone with me telling me like, tell him to do this, 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 and to take pictures because I was a little concerned about a spot on the back, but I don't see anything in person. And of course, my friend Leo Lion LV, she was like, you know you love blue, just go for it, get it. So I did. I'm very, very excited. Let me take the wrapping off. Let's look at the chain. Oh my goodness. I've just been, because I got it so long ago, I've just been like, am I sure? Am I, you know, it's just when you don't see something in person, black is a no, you know, brainer. Black for me is easy. I love black. And I really was gonna get this bag in black with silver. And my husband's like, oh my gosh, you have so many black bags. Can you pick another color? I'm like, maybe. And I did, I got the blue, which I'm so, so, so excited about. Isn't that pretty? It's a nice shade of blue. It's not a super dark navy, and the way my sales associate described it was kind of a gray blue. So there it is. Show you the sides, and let me show you the numbers for this one if you are interested in it. I don't think there's any left, at least I know there's not in Neiman Marcus, but there could be in the boutiques. And let's look at the inside. Oh, it's just such a different feel. All my Chanels are caviar except for one small leather good. This is such a different feel. And my friend, my luxury indulgences are like, you're not gonna be able to go back to caviar once you've gone to lamb. I'm like, I'm sure. So there's the authenticity card. And the inside is blue, just like the bag. And this one is made in France. And this is just absolutely stunning. Yeah, this is really, really pretty. I'm very happy with this. And I'm trying to think if there's something I haven't showed you as I'm clearly a little giddy and a little bit excited. I will say I've been getting a lot of emails and DMs and questions because I have sold a lot of things this year. I'm trying to simplify and just get down to things that I really am going to carry. The main question I keep getting is, are you going to go for a different brand? And no, I don't see me doing that. My favorites are still Chanel, Dior, and Louis Vuitton. And there's really nothing after this one that I have on my list. A few Cartier pieces, but I can't name a bag right now that I am going to be after. So I don't know. I'm sure at some point this year I will definitely find one, but show it to you one more time. And thank you so much for tuning into another video and putting up with my excitement. I'm so thrilled. I'm really, really excited. This is so beautiful. I was so worried about the color in person. I was like, what kind of blue is it gonna be? Well, I hope you have an amazing day today. I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.